which came through, which is on Bajaj Finance. The stock has recovered almost 4.5–5% from the lows of the day. But the reason that it is on our radar is because the Reserve Bank of India has ordered the company to stop loan disbursals via two of its lending products. So Abhishek is joining us now to first take us through all of the news flow on this story. Abhishek?
As you mentioned, RBI has taken action on Bajaj Finance. They have asked Bajaj Finance to stop sanctions and disbursals of loans under two of its lending products, that is eCOM as well as Insta EMI cards with immediate effect. So the action is against the non-adherence of the company to the extent of digital guidelines by RBI that was issued in 2022 with respect to non-issuance of key fact statements to borrowers. So supervisory restrictions will be reviewed upon the rectification of the said deficiencies to the satisfaction of RBI. Now, details of the products in terms of total EMI cards issued, that is cards in force, is about 4.2 crores, up about 21.8% YOY and about 10.3% quarter-on-quarter. In Q2, the EMI cards acquired grew by 30% YOY and about 5.7% quarter-on-quarter. Bajaj Finance has given a press release on the same. They say that no material financial impact on the company is expected on account of the action from RBI. However, they will rectify on RBI's observation and comply with the RBI directions at the earliest possible. Back to you.
Okay, well, the stock has seen a buy on dips very clearly playing out. But Abhishek, what is the word on the street in terms of whether this is, you can just ignore it and brush past and move on, or whether this could perhaps linger and be an issue for Bajaj Finance?
Well, brokerages have given the verdict as well. Macquarie has written that RBI order, they'll monitor the disbursals and AUM growth closely. So, Bajaj Finance had added about 3.58 million customers in Q2 FY24 and about 0.68 million in EMI cards were acquired digitally, which comprised of 19% of total customers acquired in Q2 FY24. So, EMI card franchise stood at about 4.2 crore, while digitally sourced EMI card franchise stood at about 42 lakhs. This formed about 10% of the outstanding EMI card base. So they think that the numbers look high, and for this reason, they are surprised by management's commentary with respect to minimal operational impact. How long will RBI keep the ban in place? In certain cases, the bans have been close to about 12 months to 18 months to be fully revoked by RBI. Citi has written on Bajaj Finance as well. In H1 FY24, 13.4 million Insta EMI cards were acquired, monthly issuance run rate of about 2,20,000 odd. B2B loans from digital EMI cards have been about 3.8% to about 4.2% of the loans. So incrementally adversely impact can be felt on Bajaj Finance. CLSA also has written that they believe for Bajaj this could be resolved in 1 or 2 quarters. While the ban is in effect, calculation shows that the impact on profits will be about 6%. Jefferies has written that while this is negative and speed of correction will be the key to reinstate products, they see limited impact on the financials. Morgan Stanley has also written, they have said that Bajaj Finance does not expect a financial impact to be material from this news flow. So they say that prima facie, it appears to be that new digital EMI card acquisition is not affected, which is a key investor question. They say that the stock can be under pressure in the near term, but issue looks to be one that can be resolved soon. Hence, it may mitigate the EPS impact over there. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those details as well as the street view on Bajaj Finance. The target prices, like Abhishek was pointing out, ranging all the way from around 8,300 to 10,300 as well.